Alright, so this is a method that I have come up with for starting campfires, for starting barbecues, charcoal. So what you want to do, it's very easy, very, very cheap. You don't have to buy the tumbleweeds, which are really expensive. They're like $6 for a pack. And you can do this for $1.50 and next to nothing. And it lasts you forever. So you want to take a wad of paper towel, kind of bunch it up, not too small, so that you can fit some of it in the oil. It could be any oil, vegetable oil, canola oil, whatever you want. Put it in there, but make sure it doesn't leak out. You don't want it to leak out. And then just tip it upside down, let it coat the paper towel a little bit for a minute or so. And do it for a second. Take it out, put it in there. Close cap. Get your lighter. Light it. And it acts like a candle or a torch. It'll burn off the oil on there, and it'll last for a good amount of time, enough to get your coals or your wood going. I use this method almost every time for barbecues and starting fires, and it works awesome. Like I said, super cheap. So no more lighter fluid, no more tumbleweeds, no more spending money. And there you go. And you have a super affordable way of starting fires.